Bundled items are associated with particular items that are regularly duplicated on a customer invoice. This lets you specify one code on an invoice, and the system loads multiple item lines. Item bundle codes speed up invoicing, as you are able to create multiple invoice lines by entering one code only. From the main menu, select Items, Lists, List of item bundles. Enter the item bundle code and description. Tab to the item code option and select the items you want to add in the item bundle. Also add in the quantities that you are adding. Click on the Save button and save the new item bundle.